يا الله لا هنجر الله لما تبي استقالة سمرت
runtii sidaad arkaysaan ciidankan waa ciidankii qaranka ummadda Soomaaliyeed uu u talagalay in ay wax ka qayb qaataan howlaha nabadgelyada ee caasimadda muddo ayay ku jireen haddana waxaad waa boorsamintada ugu horeysay ama baraatigada ugu horeysay oo ay sameeyaan
The important thing is not the training for the Somali police. The important thing is equipment. We have over 1,000 people here, and I can tell you they are ready to go out and keep order in Mogadishu and other places. But they don't have the basic equipment, the rifles are not there, and other equipment for public order. They don't even have a single shield. Batons and other things are not there. And so maybe this is the right time for the international community to come to their aid, providing them with the basic equipment to be able to move out, because their continuous stay here doesn't help.